Want to learn English?
The data show that the results is significant.
The data shows that the results are significant.
The researchers is happy.
The researchers are happy. Did you know that even advanced students make mistakes that scream beginner?
You've learned the basics, but you're still making beginner sounds. Today, we fix some noun and verb mistakes that even advanced students and researchers make.
Let's get you sounding professional in under 8 minutes.
Wow. Everyone are here. I'm so ready.
In English, everyone is like this finger.
Right.
It is a group, but it is one group.
Mm-hmm.
It is singular verb.
Right.
Oh, so everyone is here?
Correct. Now, since everyone is ready, let's start.
Don't let a plural crowd trick you. Even if there are 1,000 people, the word everyone always takes a singular verb.
Just think of the number 1. Indefinite pronouns like everyone, someone, each, and nobody are always singular.
I need some advices. There are too many equipments here.
I need some advice. There is too much equipment here.
The rule is some nouns are uncountable.
Yeah.
They never take an S.
Mm-hmm.
Anna,
A simple tip is to count advice, information, equipment. Use a piece of. For example, given a piece of information,
yes.
a piece of advice.
I have much tasks.
I have many tasks. Don't say I have much tasks.
Mm-hmm.
Tasks are countable. Use many for things you can count.
Mm-hmm. Use many for countable things like tasks, books, or people. Use much for uncountable things like time.
I have many tasks,
Mm-hmm.
but I have much work.
Yeah, yes.
The data suggests our results are correct.
In research, data is plural. Say, the data suggest. The data suggest.
Here is the secret. In daily English, data is often singular, but in formal research methodology, it is the plural of datum.
Using the plural verb, like suggest or show, proves you understand high-level academic standards and makes your thesis or paper look professional.
My data shows that this medicine works for everyone.
Wait, your data showed that it worked for your group of 50 people. Don't generalize.
This is a major high-level secret. Use the present tense for universal facts, like gravity pulls objects down. But for your own research results, always use the past tense, like the data indicated or we observed.
It shows you are a careful researcher who doesn't overstate their findings.
Yes.
Time for the ultimate challenge. Fix this sentence. Everyone have much information for the researches.
There are 3 mistakes hidden in the sentence based on what we learned today. If you can spot them all, you've officially graduated from the beginner trap.
Like and share this video and subscribe to the channel for more English lessons.